Hey, we made it through another Halloween, my favorite holiday, and today is November 1st. It is Take Your Kid to Work Day, and that's why I am calling today Miracles Day, Wednesday edition. Um, it is all about careers, and that is sort of my forte. And you know you're an adult when you get excited about stuff like business cards. So I unboxed my business cards that I was really excited to get from Vistaprint. And let me show you how they turned out. I was happy to see the design, although my eyes are not as good as they used to be. So the print seems a little bit small right there for me, but I am still happy with the result. Also quite happy with the result of the merchandise bag. That is a reusable shopping bag that I will really like to use around here. So I'll remember to keep that in my car. And then I was looking forward to and a little bit disappointed in the mailing labels because I need to mail back to my clients some deliverables, and whether it's from reading the notes that I take, but they will be mailed and I need to return them to people, but these are not going to work for me. Oh, no, 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 no. This is not at all what I ordered. I know I double checked and it had my actual address on it, but this is an email address and mailing labels don't need that kind of sticker. So I'm gonna try to get this returned, and that is my excitement for today, my unboxing of my business cards and my Vistaprint merchandise, which I am very happy with the logo and just hoping to rectify a minor snafu. All right, well, thank you for enjoying my review.